Okay, hello and welcome back to another video. Today I will try to custom ROM my Samsung Galaxy S7. I mean my friend's Samsung Galaxy S7. So now, this S7 has Android 8 and Samsung Experience 9. But later, I want to try the One UI 8 ROM on that. So, the first thing I have to do is to unlock the bootloader. Okay, you have to enable the developer options first. Yep, it's enabled already. It says okay, OEM, yes, OEM, and USB debugging, also yes. Now I'm gonna restart into the download mode. The button, restart. Oh no, I'm too late. And hopefully into the download mode. Here's the info for P-Lock, official, devoid now. How the bootloader is unlocked. Okay, now that's the PC screen. AP, create opened. And now I have to insert the TVRP. Yeah, TVRP 37 here LT. Like that. Options. None of that. Start. Recovery. Yep, it succeed. And now let's restart into the TVRP. Yep, TWRP. I mean, yeah, see, of course English. Swipe to allow, yes. Now let's check the rules on the Google. I'll go to the ROM now. Okay, now here I have the rules. First thing is flash the repartitioner. Install the external SD repartitioner. Okay, TWRP, yes. And now the next thing is the cleaner, as you can see there. External SD, universal cleaner. Yes, finished. Okay, it's in the TWRP now. Yep. Okay, yeah. Never and yes. Partitions, okay, yeah. Let's try the mounting. Mount. Yes. Wipe, advanced wipe, data and cache. Unable to mount storage root. Wipe, advanced wipe, data, to wipe, data, F2FS, okay, now cache. This is the one that's left. Cache. Cache, maybe. Okay, I see. Now try to mount. Oh, yep, that's good, I think. Now flash the system zip. So SD. And what's the system now? Okay. Yep, system. Let's make sure. System, vendor, system, yes. Okay. It's formatting the partitions anyways. And flashing the system image. Yep, here we go. And now the time lapse for the flashing. Okay, I see that it was successful. I have to flash the now this is the system and the vendor and kernel. Is this normal? Oh yep, it is normal. Next. Yep, compatible, great. Yes, everything seems okay. Next. Yep, I agree with everything. Supply. Yes. Maybe just normal. Animations. Flagship. Probably, I don't know. Okay, clock, calendar, quarter, Galaxy Store, the red beam, and good luck. Chrome, YouTube, Google. Kernel tweaking. And now it's from a friend that has no idea what's. Sound, yeah, live blur. Shims. Ooh. Okay, let's just do this. And the wallpaper from the S21, I really like that one. Okay, now it's S24. Yep, ROM changelog, whatever. And it's now flashing. Yep, succeed. Yep, done. And reboot. I really like this, nothing went wrong. I mean, except the FRP look that was there at first, but I removed it with the SamFW tool. Okay, it's booting. Okay, I think it should be that screen where it says Samsung Galaxy Security Nox and then the Android text. I think it should be that one now. Yep, I knew it. Samsung Galaxy, Android, yep, I expected that. Okay, now never mind, it's loading. Nope. Okay, I'll change it later to Slovenian. We can see the blur already, and I really like it. Come. Agree to all. Okay, choose the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi 6. How does it now? It's Wi-Fi 6. What? Well, maybe it just says that everything is Wi-Fi 6. Okay, now it says Wi-Fi 5. That's the correct. Yep, Wi-Fi 5, as it should be. Yep. I think the live blur wasn't the best idea.
2,000 years later.
I think it's doing something. Now don't copy. Skip. It has to be fresh. I want to try the fingerprint, but likely I have to remove it. Fingerprint. And a pattern for now. Just a simple one. So I can test the fingerprint. Yeah, it's cool. Oh, yep. Oh, what is it? Okay, next. Print OS1. Nope. Nope. Okay, accept. Getting my phone ready. No, I don't. Skip. Yes. Okay, sure. And light for now, for some reason. And I'm set. Yep, that's 24 animated wallpaper. I think it should look like this. Gets too loud a bit, I think, first. Yeah, it does. But I think it's a bit laggy. Of course, because of the live blur. Okay, 1st of July 2025. Okay, now it's 5th May 2026. Now let's see if everything works first. The camera. Oh no, it's hella hot. Nope. It looks a bit weird, guys. Video. Full HD 30. Oh, it's so hot. Okay. Let's see the storage. Manage. Yep, only 32 gigs. Pretty bad for today's standards. Let's see the lock screen and the animation now. Yep, the wallpaper animates. Oof, so hot. The fingerprint works pretty well. See the battery info. That's the display. The smoothness. I'll just do standard because it's a 60 Hz screen. The protection turn off. It's in turn on. Battery info, yeah, it's not there. And yep, about the phone. Software, Android 16. Yep, Android 16. Oh. Yep, where's the select to search? I wanna know. I think static blur would be a bit better. Already installed now.